Did you know? Forceful sneezing can potentially result in a rib fracture and a ruptured blood vessel due to the powerful muscle contractions generating high pressure within the body. A robust sneeze might lead to a fractured rib, particularly if the ribs are already weakened. Additionally, the increased pressure in the head during a forceful sneeze could cause a small blood vessel to burst, causing a subconjunctival hemorrhage where the eye appears red. However, these occurrences are unusual, and most sneezes do not lead to such severe outcomes. Like and follow for more videos.